Welcome to this masterclass on the animal kingdom. We will explore the incredible diversity of multicellular life, from simple sponges to complex mammals. Our focus is on the logical derivation of classification based on body symmetry, structure, and evolutionary lineages. This roadmap outlines our journey. We will start by deriving the rules of classification, then analyze the non-chordate phyla, and finally dive into the chordates, exploring the advanced physical features of vertebrates like birds and mammals. The first step in classifying an animal is looking at how its cells are organized. In simple animals like sponges, cells act independently. In advanced animals, cells form tissues, organs, and complex organ systems. Symmetry defines the body plan. Animals can be asymmetrical, like sponges, radial, like jellyfish, or bilateral, like humans. Bilateral symmetry allows for better movement and brain development. Germ layers are the initial cell layers in an embryo. Diploblastic animals have two layers, ectoderm and endoderm. Triploblastic animals add a third, the mesoderm, which is key for creating muscles and complex organs. The coelom is the body cavity where organs sit. Acoelomates have no space. Pseudocoelomates have a false, unlined space. True coelomates have a cavity completely lined by mesoderm, which protects organs and allows independent function. Porifera, the sponges, are the simplest multicellular animals. Their entire life depends on a water canal system. Water flows in through tiny pores and out through the osculum, with specialized choanocytes trapping food. Cnidaria, including jellyfish and corals, are known for their stinging cells. They exist in two forms, the stationary polyp and the free-swimming medusa. Ctenophora are the comb jellies. They are exclusively marine and move using 8 rows of ciliated comb plates. Many are bioluminescent, meaning they glow in the dark. Platyhelminthes, or flatworms, have dorso-ventrally flattened bodies, allowing oxygen to reach every cell. Many are parasites, and they use specialized flame cells for excretion. Aschelminthes are the roundworms, having a circular body in cross-section and a false body cavity called a pseudocoelom. Examples include Ascaris and Wuchereria. Annelida, the segmented worms, like earthworms, are defined by metameric segmentation. This division into repeating units allows for coordinated movement using longitudinal and circular muscles. Arthropoda is the largest and most successful phylum. They share jointed legs and a hard outer shell of chitin. Over 2/3 of all named species on Earth are arthropods. This pie chart illustrates the dominance of insects. Their small size, rapid reproduction, and ability to fly have made them the most successful design, representing 75% of all classified species. Mollusca is the second largest phylum, including snails and octopuses. They have soft, unsegmented bodies, often protected by a calcareous shell and a muscular foot for movement. Echinoderms like starfish are spiny-skinned, exclusively marine animals. They use a unique water vascular system, which works like hydraulics, to power their tube feet for locomotion and feeding. Hemichordata acts as a bridge between invertebrates and chordates. These worm-like marine animals have a body divided into a proboscis, collar, and trunk, lacking a true notochord. Phylum Chordata is defined by 4 features present at some stage of life: a notochord, a dorsal hollow nerve cord, pharyngeal gill slits, and a postanal tail. This table highlights the major logical split. Chordates have a dorsal hollow nerve cord and a ventral heart, whereas non-chordates typically have a solid ventral nerve cord and a dorsal heart if present. Vertebrates are chordates that replace their notochord with a bony vertebral column in the adult. This strong backbone protects the spinal cord and allows for greater size and speed. Remember, not all chordates are vertebrates. Cyclostomes, or jawless fishes, are the most primitive living vertebrates. They are eel-like ectoparasites, using a circular suctorial mouth without jaws to feed on other fish. Chondrichthyes, including sharks and rays, are cartilaginous fishes. Their skeletons are made of flexible cartilage. They must swim constantly as they lack a swim bladder. Osteichthyes, the bony fish, feature a bony endoskeleton and, crucially, an air bladder. This air bladder regulates buoyancy, allowing them to remain still in the water without expending energy. Amphibians represent the transition to land, living in both aquatic and terrestrial habitats. They have moist skin and a 3-chambered heart, but must lay their shellless eggs in water. As animals became more active on land, heart efficiency increased. Fish have 2 chambers. Amphibians and reptiles have 3, and birds and mammals evolved a 4-chambered heart for complete separation of oxygenated blood. Reptiles conquered the land with dry, scaly skin to prevent water loss and hard-shelled eggs. They are cold-blooded or poikilotherms, meaning their body temperature fluctuates with the environment. Birds, class Aves, are specialized for flight. Adaptations include feathers, forelimbs modified into wings, and lightweight pneumatic bones with air cavities to reduce body weight. Mammals are defined by mammary glands for milk production, hair on the skin, and external ears. Their 4-chambered heart and large brain have allowed them to occupy diverse niches across the planet. This graph illustrates the difference between metabolic strategies. Cold-blooded animals' temperature varies with the environment, while warm-blooded animals maintain a constant, stable internal temperature, enabling activity in diverse climates. The evolutionary history of animals shows a steady progression from simple to complex. This tree demonstrates how every phylum is related through shared biological innovations over millions of years. This master comparison table is a quick reference, highlighting the key differences in symmetry, coelom, and the unique physical features of each major animal phylum. Classification reflects a history of solving biological problems. Each major phylum represents a milestone, such as the gastrovascular cavity solving digestion, or the skeleton providing physical support. In conclusion, the animal kingdom is a logical set of life. By understanding the evolution of body plans and organ systems, we see the deep connections between every creature on Earth. Diversity is the result of millions of years of selection,